Haworthiopsis limifolia, my guide to the fascinating fairy washboard. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today, we're diving into the world of the Haworthiopsis limifolia, also known as the fairy washboard. This captivating succulent boasts unique textured leaves and a surprisingly easygoing nature, making it a fantastic choice for collectors of all experience levels. What is Haworthiopsis limifolia? The Haworthiopsis limifolia is a small, succulent plant native to South Africa. It forms rosettes of triangular, dark green leaves adorned with pronounced ridges or striations, resembling a miniature washboard, hence the charming nickname. These ridges create a captivating textural element, adding depth and visual interest to the plant. This succulent typically grows up to 12 centimeters in diameter, remaining compact and manageable. It thrives in well-draining soil and prefers infrequent watering, making it ideal for those with busy lifestyles. How to care for Haworthiopsis limifolia. Here's how to ensure your fairy washboard flourishes. Light. Haworthiopsis limifolia appreciates bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Opt for a well-draining succulent or cactus mix. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Temperature. This succulent thrives in moderate temperatures between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, 64 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect it from frost and extreme heat. Fertilizer. Feeding is not essential, but a diluted succulent fertilizer applied during the growing season, spring and summer, can provide a slight boost. How to propagate Haworthiopsis limifolia. Sharing the joy of your Haworthiopsis limifolia is simple. There are two main methods for propagation. Offsets. This succulent readily produces offsets, or pups, at the base of the mother plant. Once the pups reach a manageable size, carefully remove them with a sterilized knife and pot them individually in well-draining succulent mix. Leaf cuttings. Select healthy leaves and allow them to callus over for a few days. Plant the calloused end of the leaf in a shallow pot filled with succulent mix. Keep the soil slightly moist and provide bright, indirect light. With time, new plantlets should emerge from the base of the leaf. What to plant with Haworthiopsis limifolia? The compact size and unique texture of Haworthiopsis limifolia make it a versatile companion for various container plantings. Here are some ideas. Other succulents. Combine your fairy washboard with similarly low-maintenance succulents like Echeveria, aloe, or sedum for a vibrant and drought-resistant display. Cacti. Cacti share similar watering needs, making them harmonious companions for Haworthiopsis limifolia. Opt for smaller cacti to maintain a balanced look. Lithops. Living stones. The contrasting textures of Haworthiopsis limifolia's ridged leaves and the smooth, pebble-like bodies of lithops create a visually striking combination. Remember, when choosing companion plants, ensure they have similar light and water requirements to create a thriving container garden. Common problems with Haworthiopsis limifolia. While generally a low-maintenance plant, a few issues can arise. Overwatering. This is the most common problem. Signs include mushy leaves, stunted growth, and rot. If you notice these symptoms, adjust your watering habits and allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking insects appear as white, cottony patches on the plant. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil spray. Scale. These small, hard-shelled insects can also infest your succulent. Scrape them off manually with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol or use insecticidal soap. With proper care and a watchful eye, you can easily prevent these problems and keep your Haworthiopsis limifolia healthy for years to come. I hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to confidently care for your Haworthiopsis limifolia. This charming succulent, with its captivating texture and easygoing nature, is sure to become a treasured addition to your plant collection. Happy planting!